Hello, welcome to this presentation where we want to solve a question on travel graphs from this year, 2022 internal exam, all right? The 2022 internal examination. Okay. So before we do that, so we want to solve the last question, which is on travel graphs. I hope and pray that my presentation will be in a manner that you're comfortable with. It will be in a manner that is very easy to understand. And overall, I'll help you deal with this problem. If I do have issues, I think I'll try by all means to make it simple. This is the question we want to deal with. Now, from the onset, allow me to mention that I think in the last few days, we've been mentioning about the fast track program, which is scheduled to start on the 10th of June, all right? Going all the way up to the 8th of August, representing a period of 2 months. And in this program, which we are calling the fast track program, our desire is to cover the entire period. I mean, the entire syllabus. I know someone will be wondering, how possible is it? We have a way in which we do it. Okay, we've done it several times, and we have no doubt whatsoever that we shall do it, and we shall help you to pass these exams. Remember, we're saying we shall help you to pass these exams within this period, as long as you stick to our plan, as long as you stick to our guidelines, then everything should be fine. No need of worrying. So please, if you have had issues with these exams, if it has given you problems, right? Here is an opportunity for you to redeem yourself. If mathematics has been a barrier, all right, to your dream career, let's get rid of it once and for all. And we can do it together. We should be able to defeat ECZ together. With whatever we have put in place, we should be able to defeat ECZ together. And at the end of the day, you should be able to smile, provided you stick to our plan, you stick to our guidelines. All right, so please contact us via this number. You can register in advance. Then when that time comes, we'll put you in a group where we'll be sending the link for live lessons. These are live lessons. We'll be doing the calculations, the presentation while you are seeing. It's as if you're in class, all right? You're able to write the notes, you're able to do the computations right there and then, all right? In case you have issues, you're able to pose those questions there and then, all right? We don't teach via WhatsApp or whichever means. We teach via Google Meet, via Zoom, with other external devices, which have made it possible for us to provide effective, mark my words, effective online lessons. These are methods that we're using that are known worldwide, okay? These are known worldwide, even in these very big universities worldwide. The method that they're using to conduct online lessons, that is the one that we're using as well. All right, it is very, very effective. We have advanced gadgets that are helping us to do that. Okay, so please join us. Join us. You'll never regret. I also have to mention that there is also a YouTube channel which we are promoting. Okay, just a minute. There's a YouTube channel which we are promoting as well. We are also uploading new videos. So you can subscribe to this channel. There are a few videos, of course, but more are yet to be uploaded. All right, you can subscribe to this channel. You will also be able to find us there. Okay, that is Kamanpili JM. Okay, good. Subscribe and share. Okay, good. Let's get back to business. You can get in touch with us on that line. Okay, good. Let's get back to business. We are saying the diagram below is a speed time graph of an object. This object starts from rest, which is 0, and accelerates uniformly, as you're able to see, for 2 seconds until it reaches a speed of 10 meters per second. It then travels at this speed for 8 seconds. So mean that from here, when you add 8 to 2, it will take you to 10. All right? And finally decelerates to rest in the next 5 seconds. So from here now, it begins to drop in speed. The speed begins to reduce. Okay, good. Now, what is the first question? We are saying find the retardation in the last 5 seconds. So retardation, we say retardation is given by, in our view, it is u minus v over time, where u is the initial velocity, the velocity the object has as it begins to reduce in speed. All right? So at this point, this is now, it will be taken as our initial. At this point, the object begins to reduce in speed. So this is our initial. It begins to reduce all the way up to down. This one becomes our final. All right? So at that point, when the object begins to reduce, we are starting from that point. The reduction is starting from this point. It is your initial and the final velocity here. So you realize that your initial is 10 and final velocity will be 0 this side. All right, as you reduce in speed. So it is 10 minus 0 divided by, but you realize that in this period, the time taken here is 5. The time taken here is 5. The time taken is 5. So we are going to say divided by 5. So our retardation is 10 over 5. You have meters per second. That is the speed that we have. Okay. Then these are seconds. Or if you want, you can put the units at the end. There's no problem. Or you put like this. So it means your retardation is 10 into 2 into 10 and 5 into 10. Sorry, that is 2 meters per second squared. 2 meters per. You can see there's s and s second squared. Or you can ignore the units. If they'll give you problems, then you put them at the end. So that is our retardation. So retardation is 2 meters per second squared. Others would write it as 2 ms to the power negative 2. Okay, good. Now, what is the next question? The distance traveled in the first 10 seconds. So to find the distance in the first 10 seconds, which is this, you identify the shape and apply the formula for finding the area of that figure. And in this case, this shall be taken to be a trapezium, where this is the height, and the distance from here up to there is your B. So our B, when you check here, will be 10. Then this to this one is your A. And when you check the difference from 2 to 10, it is 8. And your height here is 10. So B distance is half H A plus B. So it is half times our height is 10 by our A is 8 plus our B is 10. So we can go back to the diagram. So we're saying our height, this is our height, joining these two lines, straight lines, parallel lines. Then this is our A, and this is our B. Okay, so now, how do we do it? So we can say this is equal to half of 10 is 5 by 8 plus 10, that's 18. All right, so what do you get? You can multiply. Remember, you don't have a calculator, so you should be able to navigate, all right? Okay, so 5 by 8 is 40. So we write 0, we take 4. 5 by 1 is 5 plus that is 90. So you have got 90 meters. This is your distance. So you're supposed to indicate here. Okay, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Okay, I'll share the screen. Okay, so I'll minimize the screen so that all right, so there's some issues with connectivity there. Okay, let me try to share this the screen now. Okay, good. I think we are good to go. So we found 90 for this one. Retardation was 2 meters per second squared. Then our distance is 90 meters. So now what is the next question? The next question is average speed. So for C, which is average speed, so average speed is look at the entire distance covered, all right? Total distance covered, covered by an object. We divide by the time taken. You know, we talk about average speed because you're cognizant of the fact that the speed was not constant, kept on fluctuating. You increase, you decrease. So in that case, you can't get a specific or constant speed, you just get an average, all right? So we get an average speed. How? We have to find the distance here. First, the total distance. So, total distance covered will be given by this shape all the way from here. You identify this shape, you look at this shape. And in our view, we'll still take it as a trapezium, the whole lot of this one, which is half h a plus b. In this regard, our h is 10, this distance. All right, so d is equal to half times 10. What is our a? From here to that point is our a, which is 8 plus, but now, since we're talking about the whole figure, our b will be this, which is 15. 15. All right, so distance is equal to half of 10 is 5 times. So you add 8 to 15, you get 23. All right, 23. You get 23. If you want, you may not need even to multiply it. All right, you may not need to multiply. Just leave it like that, that this is your distance, because we are still using it. Then the time taken is 15. Okay, so we are going to say my distance is 5 times 23 divided by 15. So it's going to help you a lot. So we realize that 5 into 5 is 1, 5 here is the 3. All right, so you have got 23 divided by what? Divided by 3. Okay, so 3 into 23, because into 21 it is 7. So into 23 it is 7, remainder 2. So you can say remainder 2 over 3 meters per second. This is the average speed. You're done. All right, you're done. Thank you. I hope I've helped you to solve this question without problems. Please subscribe to our channels and share with your friends. Please join our online platforms. Remember, the date is 10th June. Please don't be left out. Don't be left out. Good things are coming. Good things are coming. This has been Piri Kamban. Till next time, shalom, shalom.